two, but can you beat the third level? Oh,
okay.
This one's a little bit harder,
There's no
isn't it?
picture this time. There's a piece of paper. It's a riddle. What three letters can turn a girl into a woman?
Wait. What is it?
We can't use this.
Is it hot?
No. What? Somebody let me out of this escape room. He's getting creepy. I'm out. I know what the answer is, you creep. It's age. You're trash. No wonder you never got out of an escape room.
Is this secret online riddle? Basically, we ordered this riddle online from a site like eBay or Amazon. I'm not gonna tell you where we got it, but we may or may not have paid someone to make this riddle.
You paid someone to write us a riddle?
Yeah.
Is the riddle here how many ways you can waste my money? You may find it in the desert. Its body looks like a ripe banana. Its head is high in the sky, graceful and tall. A leaf destroyer, but friend to all.
Here is a ripe banana, just for your visual reference. Try and figure this out before Justin can.
This better not be what I think it is. Are you insane?
What?
Hold on, I got a stress eat right now. You paid somebody to write a riddle about yourself. The answer's Adem and Arthur.
No. What is the actual answer?
The answer is a giraffe, but you don't find giraffes in the desert. Did you hire a toddler to write this?
It's in the Sahara Desert.
Giraffes don't live in the desert. Did you write this yourself? Be honest.
No.
Let me just get this straight. You paid somebody with our money to write a riddle about yourself in giraffe form, and that person doesn't even understand basic biology. How do you not know where giraffes live? You're a giraffe.
I don't know, Justin. I just paid someone and they did it. And that's what they gave me.
To this is hidden in code somewhere.
What if there's like a secret in their names? Lisa, right?
Yes.
There's 4 letters.
Okay. No, she's aside.
Okay. 5 letters.
Okay. Jenny's a little bit sideways.
Jenny is 6 letters.
Okay. 5, 6. Oh! Okay. I got 2 sides.
Blackpink has 9 letters. Blackpink.
9 letters for 900 IQ.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
No! Okay, okay, I'll take that. Lisa's good. Jisoo's good. Rosé! A little bit sideways, but I did something.
Hey, okay. That's pretty good. That's pretty good, guys.
Giraffes don't live in the desert. This object is not thick, and it makes me sick. It makes me angry